and do it again with your hands reversed. Parameters setting. Suggested energy level, 3 to 7. Recommended mode, norm. Advised operating time, 15 minutes. Proposed suction time, 0.1 to 2.0 seconds. Suggested release time, 0.0 to 1.9 seconds. You can lift the following areas with the device: jawline to the back of the ear, Xinjiang RN24, to the front of the ear, corner of the mouth to the middle ear, wing of the nose to Taiyang EX HN5, apple-like cheeks to Taiyang EX HN5, and forehead to the hairline. Same on the other side. Clean the face. EMS and EL help the face resist aging and lift and firming. RF can stimulate collagen regeneration beneath the skin. It lifts the corner of eyes and reduces fine lines around them. It also prevents the skin from getting slack and delays skin aging. Parameters setting. The suggested energy level for EMS, 3 to 7. Advised operating time, 15 minutes. The recommended energy level for EL, 3 to 7. Apply essence evenly to the face. Draw circles on the areas below with the device, jawline to the part behind the ear, Xinjiang RN24, to the front of the ear. Corner of the mouth to the middle ear, wing of the nose to Taiyang EX HN5. Apple-like cheeks to Taiyang EX HN5, and forehead to the hairline. Do this. Apply toner, essence, and facial cream to it.